Believe it or not, this is the first dolls in my life. I never had one.
You are awesome. We have now reached the final part, embroidery. Here is the shoulder. We will sew small silver sequins on top of the lace and a swordfish-shaped crystal at the back, then pairs with the beautiful wings. For the hem, we are sewing a swordfish design shape with small silver sequins. We are also using turquoise color dangling sequins for the edge of the overcoat hem. Collar and front opening edges will be lined with fine sea blue beads. Finally, sew the sequins design at the center of the belt. Congratulations, you have completed an awesome project. Take time to admire what you have done. You are definitely amazing at this. Want to keep the creative streak going? We have a different project to recommend to you. Since you have mastered the doll size costume, it's time for real life version. The one that you or your loved one can actually wear. The project can really give you a rewarding experience and take your creative sewing skill to another level. And the class is available on Skillshare as well. Lastly, thank you for joining me in this class. We would love to receive your feedback. Please do not hesitate to leave us a comment.
Stay tuned for this adult version.